Hi, welcome to Sounds in Motion for O. Uppercase and lowercase o have the same sound, like all of the letters. Uppercase, lowercase always has the same sound. It's a fairly short sound, so the motion is short. Put one hand out, pretend this is very hot. Put your fingers together, and when you touch something hot, you lift off right away. So it's ah. Do it. Got it? Ah. Ah. Like, whoo, that's hot. Ah. 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 Doesn't that motion just really fit with the sound? Now, if our puppet is an animal, it's an octopus. Let's do that. Ah is for octopus. Good. Again, ah is for octopus. Do you know Optimus Prime? Let's do that one. Ready? Hands ready like mine? Ah is for Optimus Prime. Do you know the shape? Octagon? Ready? Ah is for octagon. Okay, those are all good ones. Do you eat anything that starts with O? How about Oscar? That's a name. Ready? Hands should look like this. Ah is for Oscar. Excellent. Your turn. Can you think of more? Look around your house. Think of names of people that you know and practice this ah sound. Bye now.